Hello, everyone. Hello. This is PopularAnimePunk here, coming to you with a new box review thanks to the Otaku Box company. So, let's see what we got in today's new anime box for this month. Shall we? Alright, so first thing, open up. Here, new shirt. New shirt. I don't know what the anime character is, but it's a nice shirt. Alright. I'm currently wearing Ren latest anime shirt that I just got from my previous box, so I really do appreciate these boxes. I really do. Anyway, got a new scroll. I would share it, but it's kind of tasteful, so and yeah, some people would say that's kind of inappropriate, so I'm not gonna share. I'm not gonna show it, so don't worry. Alright. Next thing in the box. It's chibi anime character beanie. Nice. I do love wearing beanies, especially in the winter. It's so cold, and this week is supposed to be a really cold one. It's supposed to be like a negative 15s. So yeah, got a nice new beanie. All right, cool. All right, so got a shirt, got a beanie. What's next? I'm gonna get socks. Maybe. Alright, next item in the box. Here's size looking box. Oh, wow, nice. They're sauce bowls for soy sauce and mixing wasabi. Sauce bowls. I'm not quite sure the anime characters on them yet. Let me read. So the scroll that I got that I would share, it's a Rankichu scroll. She's one of the soul protectors from Bleach. She has big, you know. Anyway, so yeah, got the premise. Anyway, that's the newest scroll I got, so pretty cool. The Taco Box beanie I just shared. The description is, the weather is getting colder in Tokyo, which means cold ears, and I hate my ears being cold. This beanie has been a lifesaver for me from the chilly winds. Hope you stay toasty while using it. Okay. And the shirt. It's just says anime spell shirt. So doesn't really tell me what anime it's from. So it's just probably an anime character. Yeah, just the sauce bowls, the soy sauce trays, is spy versus family. So, yep, that is correct. You get 4 amazing detailed soy sauce trays to use when you stuff your face with sushi. Can you identify each character? No. Well, this is the husband. It looks like it has the dog, the child, and the wife. So, that's pretty cool. You know, it's cool. These will come really handy. Same as the beanie, same as the shirt. You know, the cool thing, I'm getting kind of sidetracked here. There's some really nice things in these boxes. Very nice. Alright, the next thing in the box. Looks like little anime characters. Lanyards. Or, oh, they're car air fresheners. Wow. I don't have a car, but these would be hanging from my mirror if I did. A light scent and cute chibi characters are the perfect way to revitalize it. I even included an adorable Liz for you. Oh, so it has the main character of the Otaku Box company. Liz. Her name is Liz. Yeah, it's like a spokesman or spokesperson. Anyway, so this is cool. Yeah, I can hang them in my car. Great. Do they smell? I don't know what they smell like, but we'll find out. We'll find out. And the next video, if I ever do another video and tell you if my car air fresheners smell or not. That'd be fun. Alright, next on the box. Next in the box is a card, waifu card. I would share. You see it? You see it? Oh, you can't see it. Like some of them will slow down and be like, "Hey, we saw something." Whatever. You saw an ass. It's Hinta, Hinata, and I believe she is from the Naruto series. She's the blind character. I watched a little bit of Naruto. Alright, that's cool. So I got a cool waifu card. And Bewitching Black Serpent. That's the new collective figurine. It will go on my shelf. That will go on my shelf of other anime stuff. I need more shelves. In due time. Anyway, this is really nice. Really cool. Really appreciative. And last but not least, this is it's a patch. It's a patch. It's an iron-on patch of Reptilia. So I think that'd be really cool to put down my vest, my punk rock vest I have. I have like a lot of buttons and flair on my vest, so I can iron this patch on. That's very cool. It's cool. It's cool. Anyway, but that's what's in my box. That's what's in my otaku box this year and this month. So, thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you to the otaku community for allowing me to share my contents, show all the cool, interesting things that the otaku box can give you. But if you want to join the otaku box company, here you go. Fill a code. It'll send you to the website and you can sign up. Join or not join. There you go. Yeah. Alright. Nice. But anyway, thank you. Nevertheless, thank you everyone for checking out my new otaku box reveal video on my channel. There'll be more videos in the future, box reveals. I get a otaku box every month. Pretty cool. Is it cool to say that, like, you know, I like being part of something? Yeah, I do. Anyway, but special thanks to the otaku box. The otaku box company. So, cool artwork. Check out what's next month's food. I'm just like, anytime I get a new box, I'm just like, you know what? It's just gonna be a surprise. And then when I open it, I'm just like, oh my god, it's amazing. It's getting better and better. So, thanks. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna do it for this video. Thank you, everyone. Once again, my name is PopularAnimePunk, and this has been a otaku box review. It's only fun.